You guys see these things? Old, crappy, not crappy, shitty, not shitty. Let's switch them.
California dreaming about you.
Alright, so first things first, take off this little plastic panel and there'll be 3 screws behind it. Yep. You guessed it. 10 mil.
My hands steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises, you ain't stopping this. Cross my shit, you'll be knocked unconscious, bitch. That's the consequence, I got this, I will not quit. Man, I'm on it, honest, I'm gon' launch quick, then I'm gone. It's just a matter of time before I'm over the climb and moving under my prime. Just quit my 9 to 5, I'm rocking, and they watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping all these top 10 songs, no stopping. It's time to live my life, it's time to live, not die. Wish I could slow down time and just enjoy the climb.
On the home stretch of the wheels,
Yep.
just put that other one
Torque
back on.
this one, lower this one, torque this one.
This.
And then I would like to die.
You feeling it a little bit?
Yeah, it's a lot of work.
Yeah, you look a lot better though.
Kind of wish we could have been NASCAR and
Yeah,
check it out.
that's the one thing I wish I had in this garage, but an impact. That would be nice.
It'll all be worth it when I'm driving it down the road and I'm just like,
Now we got just wrapped up the side mirrors. So much better. Silver don't even look too bad, like the two-tone.
no, but if I had to choose a color, it'd be orange.
For the whole car?
Yeah?
It might be in the future.
Yeah. Let's wrap it.
Let's wrap it. It's kind of why we didn't really care about the color side mirrors too much. There's a very good chance this might get wrapped shortly. Thought we had to swap out the shift knobs too. This is the old normal one. And this is, see if I can do it, one from the RS.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bruh. I swear to God I'll get it, bruh. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Never rock it. Got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic, make them nauseous. Honest, can I stop this? Never cautious. Drop it.
Just torquing them up. And you wanna do the headlights?
Yeah.
You wanna
We'll do as much as we can today.
Yeah, we got time. So
Yeah.
if you want to start on the headlights when you're done, and I'll take a look at the exhaust.
Sweet, dude.
Yeah,
Love it.
moving right along. All right. So the only thing I did to this car when I had it was the HKS axle back, and it sounds amazing. So we're gonna take that off and put it on his car. The other.
You can hear it from a mile away.
Yeah. Well, it sounds good too. It's not just like loud. It doesn't have like that racer sound to it. So I'm gonna hit these with the PB Blaster. I'm gonna hit there's 2 bolts and then a bunch of hangers holding it on. So I'm just gonna hit it with the PB Blaster, and then I think I'm gonna help Sean with the headlights. Alright, let that sit for a bit. And I'll hit the other one too. So Sean thinks that it's just going to be these 2 screws. I have my doubts.
It's gonna be easy, man. After the day we've had, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be great.
I hope for an easy W on one of these. Yeah, these ones have seen better days.
Yeah.
I don't know what they did between this and the side mirrors, because it looks like it was like left in a desert. Like the rest of the car is solid,
Yeah, I
but
mean,
like the plastics and stuff.
for the most part, for being a 2006,
Right.
it's actually, it's not in bad shape.
No. It's actually pretty good.
Yeah. Probably take a brush to that.
Glad you got this one instead of fixing up the other one.
Yeah. It would have been a lot of money.
I love that one, and I know you do too, but like that's a lost cause.
Yeah, and it's kind of fun to put
Some more work
some
into
love
it.
into something, you know.
Yeah. I mean,
Makes you one with your vehicle.
you're getting it.
Yeah?
I like it.
Am I? Oh, Mountain Dew.
When it hits your lips.
That's what she said.
Alright, moment of truth.
What's the moment of truth?
Try and yank it out of there.
I don't know.
Carefully.
I don't know what that means. It's not even budging.
Think it might be attached somewhere else?
I don't know what that means. Nah, it just needs to be pushed and yanked really hard.
You think so?
No, you probably have to. Either we're missing something or we gotta take off the front bumper.
I was really hoping to not have to do that.
Well,
Because you know what that means. We have to take off 2 front bumpers.
yeah.
Anything we do, it's double.
Well,
That's one reason why it's taking longer.
should we just focus on the exhaust and then see where we end up?
I think we should go contemplate a game plan inside.
Okay.
My dick's about to fall off.
Okay.
That sound good?
That sounds good.
Okay.
Good enough for me.
A few moments later.
It's possible, but it's not something in our realm right now.
Nope, that's okay.
So, these ones don't leak that bad though. So, we did figure out the bumpers have to come off. And let's see. So we already took those off on the other one. There's 2 on each headlight. You gotta take these 2 off, and the one in the center, and the 2 on the other side.
Do we have to get
And
7 bolts
there's-
underneath?
Yeah, 7 or 8 on the underside. That should come off, and then there's like 2 out right here. So, he's gonna do that, and I'm gonna get back on the exhaust. Alright. So, Sean is getting a little ways with the headlights. We got the bumper off finally. And where are we at? We got the 2 unplugged.
Yeah, I got the bulbs unplugged. I just,
Oh, cool.
I'm not-
So yeah, these are going to be clips, and it should be. Okay, so that just attaches, right? Yeah, you're gonna have to. Yeah, you should have to push on that or pull
Right here?
right there.
Inside?
That tab, screwdriver, and then pull. And then that'll be that. Same to the other side. Take off that bumper, repeat. I'm not having as good of luck with the exhaust, but we're slowly getting there. I've got one bolt off, and the other one broke free. Just letting the WD-40 do its thing, and it'll be the hangers, which sometimes that's even worse, but we'll get there.
I'm the hardest, rock, bitch, watching. I'm the fucking king of rock, bitch, popping, spitting hot shit. I'm dropping, chronic. I think I'm motherfucking lost in it. Back, matter of fact, making racks where it's at. Have my back to the mat, not an act, that's a fact. We attack.
Oh, late captain, we're almost there.
Get a back, no we act, think I'm black, up his neck, while I'm rap, bounce a step.
Oh, fuck.
What'd you do?
I hate exhaust hangers.
We're down, give a crap, we're advanced, I'm the man. Got a plan better than most brands, goddamn, I'm a rhyme till I die. Never lie, that's a lie, I don't try, I defy. Get you not, and I'm right, yeah.
That's a good shot. I only got this sucker out of there. Alright, let's check on Sean.
Don't check on me.
Don't check on you?
Check on me.
Oh, okay.
I'm just trying to, feel my way around the darkness.
Is the force on your side? Is the force with you?
I am a man, so I would only imagine that I could find this in the dark without my eyes. I got it in there going straight. I don't want to like break it. Flawless way. Break it at the very end. Yeah, you should take a look at that.
That's what I mean. Like, let's see if we can get a good shot of this.
Oh, you gotta show them the dirt, bro.
Right. I think that's a lot better. The updated ones are so much better. Plus, these ones are way hazier. So, Sean's almost done buttoning up the bumper. Probably just zip tie this one back on. Right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Can't waste no time
Sounds
with
good.
it.
It's getting fucking late.
Yeah.
I don't even know how many hours we've been at this.
I just want to go home and die.
So, to note on the headlights though, one of the plugs is, I think it's the high beams, is different from,
Maybe even dated.
yeah, it's, so what we're going to do is we're just going to leave those unplugged right now, and then we're going to clip these plugs, I think it's this one right here, and swap them out at a later date because you can still access it behind there without taking off the bumper and all that shit. So, I think we're probably going to wrap it up here. You see this exhaust?
Yeah, 1 second. Just try not to mix some stuff up because you keep sitting on here.
No, I know. I'm bad.
Look at that.
Look at that bad boy.
That's beauty. She won't,
She didn't go down without a fight.
no, she definitely won't walk the same after. I'm not gonna die, right? I'm not gonna, okay.
I think you'll be okay. So we didn't get it. That is the muffler. So we didn't have time to put the new one on. We'll probably come back again later, and we're gonna take out the interior and stuff too. I think we only hooked up one headlight. Let's close it out real quick.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Well, we got almost everything done we wanted to. So got put the exhaust on. We got it off. That was the hard part.
Yeah.
And might do interior like next week or something.
Next week. Look
Yeah.
for me.
So, but we
Wonder
got a lot
if-
done. We got the headlights. We got the wheels done. Swapped out the stereo, the shifter, side mirrors. Damn.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you for watching, guys. Catch you next time. Later.
Go on and hate me, because I do what I do. Go on and hate me, cause I got nothing to prove. Go on and hate me, cause I got nothing to lose.